my beauties. So today I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow on camera, and I'm just going to finish my face. I already have my foundation on, excuse me, my eyebrows, so I am ready. Today I'm going to be using my September Boxycharm box. I'm going to be using the brushes that came in this month. Excuse my nails, they're freaking ugly, so just don't pay attention to my nails. So I'm going to be using these brushes to do my eyeshadow. Be using this Colourpop set. It's the orange one. So funny story, when I was buying it, I actually bought two because I was gonna buy one for me and one to give out, which I am gonna be giving out. I actually had bought in it thinking I got the palette. This is just the orange soul palette from Colourpop. I love orange tones, so I bought this palette a long time ago. So I thought I was actually gonna get the orange palette like this in this orange version. I guess when I got it, I got this and I was like, what the fuck. I remember when I was buying it, I had gotten the palette, but I guess I got this instead. So the colors are really good. They're actually 4 super shock shadows. They're really like pigmented. The first color is Flipper. This is the new package that I'm actually going to be giving out, and I already used mine. They're freaking good. I'm going to just show you guys the color. This one's in the color Flipper, and I'm going to swatch them for you guys. So, and this is the color, don't mind my pelitos. And then this is in the color Bumblebee. It's like a really orange gold. It's like an undertone. It's like an orange. Why am I dropping everything? In every video, I'm always dropping something. And this is the color Let Me Pass, which I am in love with this color because it's like a really dark copper. I hope you guys can see it. The last one is gonna be this orange shade, and this is in the color Monkey Business. It's all beat up because I've been using it. And this is like a bright orange. So these are the colors. So we're going to be using these colors to do our eyeshadow. And then stay tuned till the end, announcing the giveaway. Let's just get started before I like keep talking and I never get shit done. Okay, so to begin with, I'm just going to go in with this Colourpop palette. And I'm going to be using like a transition color. So I'm going to be going in with this brush. And I'm just going to go in with the lightest shade, which is like this one right here. And we're just going to apply that all over our lid. And I do have my under eyes baked. If I do have fallouts, they're just gonna I'm sorry, they're just gonna like fall on the baking powder. Okay, once we have that, I'm gonna go in with the second shade with, I don't know if I should go with the copper or should I go with you know what, I'm gonna go with the copper. No, you know what, I'm gonna go with this orange. No, you know what, I'm gonna go in with the copper. No, you know what, I'm gonna go in with this orange. I'm gonna go in with this orange, and it's gonna be Monkey Business. Oh, it's kind of like a red color. And we're just gonna add this on our crease. And just blend it in with the transition color. So yeah, when you guys are buying makeup online, be careful, because I don't know if it's the website that like kind of made it seem like I got the whole set. I was kind of like upset, but you know what, it's okay. Next time I'll just be more careful when I'm buying something. And I'm just gonna go in with the transition color and just blend the top a little bit more. You always want to have your eyeshadow as blended as possible. So, ooh, okay. Now I'm just gonna go in with this flat brush. This is from my Boxycharm set. They came in this little package. If you guys haven't signed up for Boxycharm, you guys are really missing out, because that shit is worth it. So I'm just gonna spray. And I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It smells so good. And I'm just gonna go in with this copper. This is in the color Let Me Pass. So just blend in your crease. And as we get closer to the inner, we're gonna do like a different color on there. This is like a really easy makeup. And I'm telling you guys, the colors are so pigmented. So as long as like you blend it like with the shadow from the crease, you should be fine. Now we're gonna go in with another flat brush, and we're gonna go in with the lightest shade, and this is the color Flipper. So I'm just gonna add this color on the center of our eye. These are like wet eyeshadows. So we're just gonna apply this on the center of our eye. I actually think it'll go on better if I do it with my finger. You know what? I'm gonna do it with my finger. I think it'll go on a lot better. Okay, you see how this is like super pigmented. So I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna do that on the other eye. Okay, so we literally have our eyeshadow done. Let's just like contour our face and get the party started. So I'm gonna be using also my new contouring palette I got from my Boxycharm. I actually received this one on my Boxycharm, and it's the Too Faced Natural Face Contour Highlight Blush Bronzing Face Palette. So we're gonna be using, oh shit, we're gonna be using this to contour and whatnot. I'm gonna be going in with Sunny Honey. So when you contour, you always want to contour going upwards, never going down. And then just contour my nose and a little bit of my forehead. I'm gonna go with Tropical Hot. I'm gonna do this one and this one. So with those two colors, we're just gonna lay under my contour. Gonna spray the face. We are not gonna curl our eyelashes. Apply some mascara and some falsies, and I'll be back. Okay, so I already have my lipstick on, my eyelashes. I'm using Queen Bee on my eyelashes from Coco Lashes, and on my lips I'm using the same lipstick I used in my other video. I've been obsessed with this lipstick, and it's from Beauty Creations, and it's in the color Naughty. So I'm just gonna apply my highlighter. Let me set my whole face. This is my favorite setting spray. No he comido, pero estoy bien arreglada. And then I'm just gonna apply some chapstick, and this is my Nivea chapstick. This is so good. Let me just do the Dragon Beauty trick real fast, so I can like really just highlight the under eyes. And then for my highlighter, that's in this palette, I'm gonna be using this one, Satan Sheets. Apply it right here. Ooh, so this look could be like the last of summer. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished makeup. Let me zoom in so you guys can see my eyeshadow. So this is a finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I am gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving this one out and a Sephora gift card. So if you guys like to enter, don't. So the rules to the giveaway is just like and subscribe to this video, and then follow me on Instagram. And once you guys are done, comment down below on this video in the comment done, and then that's the way I'm gonna be able to choose the winner. So make sure you guys do that. Comment down below done once you guys are really done, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.